Today we are going to
AnimeNYC.
I'm trying to get this stuff forever. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to
AnimeNYC.
We're gonna show you the cosplays, we're gonna show you the exhibits, the shows, the panels, we're gonna show everything we could possibly see. So we'll see you guys over there. And guys, I lost my finger rings. Not my finger rings, my nails.
You didn't make it to the trip.
Damn. Guys, this is the most vitamin D I got all summer. Oh, we finally made it. And it smells good. It smells like good food.
Huh?
Oh no, it's the hot dogs. Cold. Okay.
Oh, it's Gigi.
It's right.
I looked at Gigi's jeans.
She wanted to make sure he was really cosplaying. Caught on 4K.
I couldn't look away.
It's my boy. Gachiakuta.
It's the guy with the booty shorts.
Oh my god, not Thunder Thighs.
Not the Thunder Thighs. Oh my god, we f***ing made it.
Finally. Oh, it's just a wristband.
Oh.
Fire.
Give me one.
Maybe like their mascot. Oh no,
What?
this is like from our thing. I'm not too familiar to be honest. But we lit.
I don't think this would fit my big fat arm. Oh, yay.
It don't fit, we make it fit.
Escalators, because I ain't going up that. Get out of here. You want to go up that? Or do you want to go that way? Up the ladder?
What's over there?
Escalators.
Oh,
You can buy liquor, like a can of liquor there too.
what? Is Amazon with this thing?
Yeah, that's so much faster. But I still need a double tequila with, wait, double something. You know what, damn right I need something. If I see that guy that I really like, it's over for you. The guy with the ponytail from Jujutsu Kaisen. What's his name again? Chozo? Oh, I'm Chozo.
You're fussy mine.
Who?
Oh, you gonna
Who?
find out. You gonna learn today.
Is that the girl from ReZero? It's the thing for where we got the little lanyard. You think we could spot Brian? Oh, there he is. I saw him. I just saw Brian. Brian! Bro, I saw your friend so fast. Like, that was like 2 seconds I found him. Ah, look, they're the big bougie ones. That's the one that Shane Dawson has. This little one.
Where do you get that though?
It's all the Sailormoon goods. Yeah, they're so pretty. I always wanted one of those. I've always wanted, maybe I'm gonna get one of those. I've always wanted to get those lockets.
The lockets?
Yeah. 125?
You're not playing.
Damn, bro, $100 for that pretty one though.
Damn.
All right, let's keep going. If anything, I'll get one of those. That'll be like my final prize. You should get a mystery box. Look, they have so many. Which one would you get? I think they got every. Oh my God, $70 for this? You know what this feels like? It feels like those like live streams you see from like AnimeNYC, those people, and they just like for 4 hours just walking around. All right, guys, so we're starving. We're gonna get food. However, that is not part of this video. If you guys want to see us try out food here at AnimeNYC, you're gonna click right here below on this video, and that is the video for the food haul here. So, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. It's the Marine. They probably already have you fucking sent off the moment you walk in there. Double, yes. Cheers. All right. Que viva el alcoholismo. Que viva las borracheras y las mandadas y las puterías. Oh, brother. Oh, bro.
It is balanced.
This egg with hash brown is too much.
This is just a regular Sprite.
Cheers, guys. 36 per cup. Double. No Rebel, mind you.
Most expensive
The Rebel would have
soda.
been like 50 bucks.
Very expensive soda. I gotta get my fix. We ran out of, there was no Rebel because they drank it like yesterday before. So today they trying to keep it PG. I'm like, yo, I came here to get like they were yesterday. It's like, get right.
Some random dude just walking around with a job application. Swag station. I always thought high dive was like a hentai thing. Really? Oh, I always thought it was like some like XXX Tentacion. What's in there? A gift shop? Oh look, there's like actual garbage up there right there. What is it? Oh, you get like, oh, you're digging through the garbage for free merch. Where does the line start? Right here? Oh, thank you.
Let's get ready to You don't want to rummage, you just want to just watch me, right?
I'll rummage if I find a t-shirt.
Driving here, alright? You have 10 seconds to choose the best piece of trash that you can find, alright? And then you're going to take it over here and you're going to keep it both contained, alright? One item, 10 seconds, on your marks. Bad, set, date.
Go for the TV.
9, 8,
I don't want to go for it. Here you go. You got the TV.
5, 4,
How much to take a bottle? Just one?
alright, whatever you have in your hand, that's going to be your play. Guys, thank you so much.
Get your camera. Thank you.
With the box.
Oh no. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Why do we
get the same one? Oh, okay, we got different ones. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Like they couldn't give us anything else?
We had a TV and a wheel, 2 different items.
Oh well, I guess it's like a haunted curse. Let's go somewhere else. No, my copyright. It's over for me.
These guys are all about their money. You'll copyright us quick.
Where else do you want to go? The first class folks up there. my god, 60 bucks for a Labubu. 60 bucks. The whole case, 320. That's crazy.
Imagine your car has like anuncios.
What is that?
It's a Fila. It's a new type of car. It's by Honda. It's by Sony and Honda.
They made a baby?
Yeah, Sony and Honda Mobility.
Sony, Honda.
These are not out yet, but they're gonna be out soon.
Oh, they got all the
That's
little
basically
soul
them.
gems. And that's him. Oh, that's so cool. Look how pretty these are.
You want
Oh, it's a
$200?
packet?
This is pristine. I didn't know you could get a packet graded.
I don't know that either. Oh my god, 450.
For that Pikachu Torchic. Wow. 7,500 for Charizard.
Look, it's the little pretty one. It's like Eevee, or sorry, like that. Look, Mewtwo. There it is. Aww, they're nice.
No, negative one is crazy.
Pobrecito.
Round deuce.
Another round. They're gonna have to drag me out of here.
So guys, they ran into a little technical difficulty. The
Oh.
card machine stopped working.
I thought they were gonna give us free drinks, but
I really thought. Rule of thumb, bring cash.
when in doubt, bring cash for me.
Cash is king.
Great.
So close.
You still get
Full
one of the
house.
ones on the bottom.
Oh, do I?
Okay.
Oh, that's
Yes,
cool.
you still
That's
get
great.
Good luck, good luck. Video proof.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. We should make 40 matches. Let's go. What is it? Oh my God, so close.
Damn.
So close. How much? How many? What number was that one? Oh,
What?
3. I'll get this one. Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone, you can change it for whatever one you want.
You just gotta get one.
Let's go. Oh my God, oh my God, I let it go.
You think it's too fat?
Try it again. That's the one you want?
Yeah, that's the one I mainly want. Unless it's easy. You think it's easier to get something else?
It's easy. It's easy. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, okay. Oh my god. Let me give it a try. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god.
So close.
I'm nice at this.
Again.
Come on. I need to grab it the head. The body's not gonna do it. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
It wants it so
But it's
bad.
up. It's in a good position right now.
It's ooh. Ooh. Yeah, well- Oh, so cute. But then I keep losing my credit card. Oh, there's Lorax right there.
Hilarious.
I saw Double McCry, but I didn't know if I didn't know if to look her, and I was like, baby's gonna get jealous. Oh, look at the little Legos. ¿Qué tú mira? Hello, hello. God. They're just so beautiful. Are these all your Sailormoons, or there's more over there?
I only have these two cases for Sailor Moon. I got some stuff in back stock, and there's some on the back wall as well.
Oh,
If you're
okay.
looking for something particular, let us know. A few things haven't up there yet.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
And there you go.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thanks,
Thank
folks.
you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, sure. Oh my god, guys. This is so cute. I'm so excited. I've been dying to get this stuff forever. Oh my god, it's Gucci. I've been dying to get this, and he doesn't make songs, so we're gonna come find out. 125. Damn, that's my purchase of the day. Are you sure you don't want to get nothing else? No, they have the big energy ones that you were talking about.
And then for Synchro, I don't. Thank you for
Oh my
clipping
gosh,
me.
it's live. They can see us.
Don't people make that weird?
Oh my god, look at that. Looks so good. It looks so good. Yo, people are killing it out here. I don't want to get in between no one's photos. I don't know where to go. All right, guys, and that was AnimeNYC. We are officially done for this year.
It was a great year. Another great time. You cannot go wrong coming here.
It was really nice.
It feels good to connect with my community, my people out here. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody's staring at us. But guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the AnimeNYC vlog. If you guys are curious about what we ate, you can follow us right below here. There's a video, and that's going to be showing you all the food we ate here at this convention.
And boy, did we eat we ate a lot.
Bro, we're in a food coma. But guys, we love you. We'll see you soon, and
Like and
bye.
subscribe for the next video, guys. Thank
Bye,
you.
guys.